Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to give you a quick update on Crypto.com Crocoin, take a look at the overall crypto market, and give you an idea of where I think we're headed here. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. As of right now, Bitcoin is trading at $27,559, up about 0.6% on the day. Bitcoin dominance level increasing at 49.72%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're trading at about 51.72%. I believe that the Bitcoin dominance level is going to continue to move up as we get closer and closer to this halving, usually in the year of accumulation, the year leading up to the Bitcoin halving. That's what happens, and I've been calling for it, and that's exactly what is happening right now. So be patient, guys. Be patient. Be cautious about investing into smaller cap altcoins right now. Maybe now is not the best time. Maybe wait until you get a little bit more of a confirmation as we get closer to the Bitcoin halving. Not financial advice, but I put my money where my mouth is, and all I'm doing right now is putting money into Bitcoin and Ethereum. I have other altcoin positions, but I'm not really trying to deploy any large amounts of capital on the sidelines into those positions just yet. All I'm really doing is accumulating Bitcoin and Ethereum. So over on the Bitcoin chart, we are starting to bounce up off of the monthly candle of October. September was pretty bearish, as to be expected, and now we're going into what some people are calling Uptober, but we came up, we broke above a very, very key price level here at 28,200, but then we were once again rejected off of that, and I do believe that we'll probably be chopping around below 28,200 and above 25,300 for the short term. I am expecting a capitulation event to 21,600 or around this area at some point here. But until then, I am looking for some sideways, boring chop, guys. I think that is the most likely scenario to be happening right now. I don't necessarily think we're going to be hitting 32,700 unless we get a break above a weekly or monthly confirmation and candle close above 28,200. Then I can start looking and keeping my eyes on 32,700. But as of right now, like I said, I'm expecting sideways chop with a potential move to the downside at 21,000, a quick capitulation event with a nice bounce off. But until then, I'm not buying altcoins. What will happen to Crocoin if that happens? So right now we are making our way down a little bit, but very, very similar to Bitcoin. We are just sideways chop, boring price action. That is to be expected. I expect Bitcoin dominance level to come up. So what does that mean for the altcoins? I do expect that Crocoin will probably make a new low. My target is at about 0.45 cents, about 4.5 cents. That's kind of my main target. I don't necessarily think we're going to come down significantly more than that. I think that aiming anywhere below 4.5 cents or maybe 4 cents is overly bearish. I don't necessarily think that is a high likelihood scenario. I think that the majority of the sellers are exhausted. I think that the crypto space is quite vacant. I'm starting to hear people that are not crypto native talk about how crypto was a fad. So usually when I hear stuff like that, that usually means that the cycle is about complete and we'll be off to the races hopefully sooner than later. Now I will also say bearish sentiment here a little bit. There is a chance, there's definitely a chance out there that after this Bitcoin halving, let's look over the monthly chart. After this Bitcoin halving, we don't make a move to the upside. There is a chance of that happening, that we just chop around. There's definitely a chance of that. If the macroeconomics are still in turmoil, we could chop for a significant amount of time. And maybe we don't start making moves to the upside till, well, obviously not till 2027. That would be extreme pain, but maybe not until, let's say, 2025. Maybe something like that. There's a chance like that could happen, that we don't start making a move up till a year after the Bitcoin halving. Or maybe we don't move up until March 2025. Maybe we chop sideways and we wait until we have a nice move up, and maybe we peak out in 2026. There's possibilities of that, guys. But I will say that the 4-year cycle is the most accurate data point that we have to follow. And so that's where I pull the majority of my data from. And I'm going to lean into that this is the year of accumulation. leading up to the Bitcoin halving right here. And after the Bitcoin halving, we'll have supply shock and a move to the upside. That's what I'm leaning at. That's what I'm looking at, and that's what I'm going to I'm putting my eggs in the basket into that theory. But if we go past the Bitcoin halving and I see something that's alarming, I'll let you guys know. I'm not going to die with my theory. I'm going to I can pivot. That's what trading is all about. If something changes in the market, you need to pivot. You can't just die with a price target just to say that you were right or to stand behind it. You need to be able to pivot based on what's happening in the market. But guys, if you stuck around this far, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, over on Twitter, I said, CRO will pump again. I was happy when CRO went from 3 cents to $1. Will it happen again? Do you guys think that will happen again? And I said, from right now, great foundation to grow from right now. Because right now, guys, we're near 3 cents. And I think that even if we don't go to $1, even if we don't go to $2 or $3 in the next bull market, I think a 20 cent, a 50 cent, maybe even 75-cent CRO coin is a given, especially if crypto adoption increases at the rate that I expect it will. Let me know. Go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. Let me know what you think about this. Will it happen again? And if you do think it will happen again, then you will be happy to be a CRO coin investor right now. That's my piece. But guys, that's all I got for you. If you stuck around this far, please consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video or to our homepage, click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with CryptoKip and I, as well as when we reach 100 members on the channel, we're going to be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin to a different member every single month leading up to the Bitcoin halving. Super excited about that, guys. But that's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching.